What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm fishing a spot I've never fished before. This ramp looks really sketchy. Give it a shot. Yeah, the lake is like basically wide open at this ramp. It's gonna be a little hard to launch because there's a ton of grass and waves. Sorry about that wind in advance, but there's a ton of grass and that's where these bass have been hanging out lately. Less talking, more fishing. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I am walking to the spot right now. It is pretty windy, so I'm gonna try and kayak out of the wind. The hard part is gonna be launching because there's some waves here. But once I'm out of that, I should be good. But we'll see if we can make something happen. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm out of the waves a little, but there's a lot of grass here, and it is currently 7:20 in the morning. So I'm gonna try this frog, which I have not caught a fish on a frog yet. So see if we can get a bite on this frog. Since there is a lot of grass, we might get one to come up. Alright guys, so I've made it to the other side. It's still a little windy, not too bad. I probably won't fish here that long just because it looks like really sketchy and there's like no one out here. So we'll try it this morning, see if we can get a bite. Big bass, big bass. I said took way too early. I got excited. He wanted that thing. I didn't have a lot of confidence in this spot, so kind of rose up a little, you know, because there's a ton of grass. I'm sure there's a ton of carp, grass carp here. The water's not as clear. There might be some good fish in here, so we'll give it a shot. Give this spot a chance. Looks can be deceiving. Alright guys, that spot was a bust. The water clarity just wasn't good. The grass was too thick. I just didn't see much activity with bass. I wasn't seeing a lot of life. I wasn't seeing any boats around. So that's not a good sign. I'm gonna try one more spot and I'm gonna bank fish. I'm not gonna go on my kayak. I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, I made it to the next spot. The time check is 10:11. Not bad. I fished for like 2-3 hours in the other spot. Trash. Alright guys, so I've made it to the spot. It is not windy like that other spot. The water's not murky like the other spot. We'll give this a shot. Last time I caught 2 nice ones here. So let's see if we can catch any more. I just got thumped. Oh my god guys, I missed a fish right here, right in front of me. That actually felt like a nice fish, guys. That is a good sign. Alright, so I got that bite in about 7 feet of water. Not a bad bite. That actually felt really good. I don't think that fish is coming back, but that was a good bite. There we go guys, first fish of the day. Not a bad one. Let me get down there. Alright guys, time check is currently 11:11. I have been fishing for quite a while. I caught that fish close to the shore. Her tail's a little bloody. Post spawn, most likely. But go ahead and get a release on this girl. Alright guys, go ahead and get a release on this fish. Here she goes. I'm tired, I'm sweaty. That is going to do it for today's video, guys. I grinded for hours. I've been up since 5 in the morning and it is close to 12 in the afternoon and I caught 1 fish. At least I caught a fish, you know. I've had worse days where I don't catch anything, so it was okay. That is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.